mahirap, ang daming dumaraan, baka kamasagsak.
Doon din naman yung mga putas dito, yung mamahal dito.
120 kilo. Sa Morong, 180 to 220.
Saan doon?
Sa Morong, dito 120 lang. Tapos
Ang bibili ko doon ay ano
ng anak, durian. Ang mangustin, 100 lang dito a kilo. Sa Morong, 250 a kilo. Oo. Kaya
Sa malapit mo lang.
kaya mag-uuwi kami bukas sa Lunes.
Sa amin, sa malapit.
Pwede magbagahe ng prutas. Sa check-in. Sa check-in.
Ay, iniwan ko lang. Hankiri.
Dapat may hangkere.
Pwede yata eh. Tubig lang alam, pwede. Hot, tango. The plain, hot.
Again?
Hot.
We can bring fruits, right?
I know that you cannot bring it in here.
But you can take it out.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure because bringing in here they don't allow. That's why they were checking the bag
Okay.
at the airport. At the airport, I don't know about any other ways if you come. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no, taking it back, I don't think is a problem.
Yeah. They said at least it's below 8 kilos.
Okay,
There's a
really?
limit.
For the fruit? For the
Yeah.
food?
Yeah.
Oh,
There's
really?
a limit.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But you know, we get everything in Manila, so we don't worry about
So
it.
in our town, the fruits are expensive.
Oh yeah?
The lanzones we bought last night here, 120 a kilo. In our town, the Rizal, 180 to 220.
Yeah, must be that much, right? I think in Manila it's about 200 lenton.
Yeah.
100, 120.
Lenton? But you know,
Sa
the,
malapit mo lang. Balat lang ang price.
no, no, the thing is, if you go to the mall, grocery,
Yeah.
very expensive.
Very expensive.
We buy from the wet market.
Yeah.
Palengke.
Cheap, palengke, okay.
Yeah, we are in Morong, is an Alisa town. Their mangosteen is 250 a kilo. Here is 100 a kilo.
Yeah, I saw that mangosteen was one.
I know, 100 a kilo.
Oh,
That's
it is 250.
But we bought beside McDonald's there the other day. Mangosteen is 160 a kilo. So it's a lot cheaper here.
It is, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Even durian, a little bit cheaper, no? Okay. A little bit. Oh no. Yeah, because you got it for 150.
Kahit yung doyan, 150 lang dito sa Manila, dito 180 to 200.
Saan?
Dito. May kumakain kayo lechon.
Oo.
Doon, may lechon. Sarap ng balat.
Nasaan yun?
Di ba yung may McDonald's dito sa kano?
Around Hinan.
Inahan lang.
Across from Hinan. That's right.
Yung Hinan Hotel.
Hinan na Sewala? The Hinan
No,
Sewala?
the one that is on the main road. I don't know what's the name.
Yeah, the one on the main. Oh, there's lechon there?
Sarap ng balat nila.
You know, when you walk in, the Hinan is on the right side. Across from there, you see a small place. I can't remember the name. You know, they do lichan. 1/4 is 300 pesos. 1/4.
Ay, is it that crispy?
Yes.
Oo, ang balat talaga. Ang balat talaga ng balat yun ang
But
kinain.
you got to tell them because she told them I want crispy, so they gave her crispy. And of course, you got the soft meat
So
also.
do you buy rice there too? Or
Yes,
oo,
yes.
lechon?
Rice is separate. How much? She did. She did. How much?
There's a breakfast place. Did you
No.
go here,
No,
Nora?
no. We ordered that day sandwich.
O, dinala nila dito. Na-deliver lang namin.
Oh, because Nora has the breakfast, bangsilog,
Ah.
dasilog, for
Ikaw
one,
na wala Chinese tayo.
for 199. We went
Oh
there
wow,
for,
that's a
we
deal.
went there for dinner and the owner is an American.
Yeah, must be.
Married to a Filipino. Yeah, and he said there's a breakfast and all you can do 199.
That's not bad. 199.
Yeah.
We ordered sandwiches, right?
Yeah.
It was like
Yeah,
300.
they
Yeah, we paid like 300 for
Yeah,
sandwich.
we ate, I paid quite chapsuy and
may sandwich.
lechong kawali. Yeah.
No, we didn't try over here.
Yeah, we ate there, but it's so no, I
Oh yeah? So the mosquito thing? No.
mosquitoes eating you and it's a long time they cook it fresh, but it's a long time to wait and the mosquitoes are eating
Yeah.
it. No.
Yeah, that's why it's so long to bring it here.
Yeah, they cook it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the owner talked to us.
The American?
He's from LA, yeah.
Oh, from LA. Okay.
He's been here 18 years.
Okay.
Oh, tagal na ah.
Yeah. Okay.